Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Tuesday afternoon from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And for some, it's been quite the rough trading session, and that means it may be time to unwind. Yes, it's almost 4 o'clock. Yes, the traders, brokers around me, they're ready to go home. And for some, a rough day calls for a little R&R, meaning that they're going to be out of here and going to the bar. In other words, it's happy hour here in the Big Apple. It's been a tough Tuesday afternoon here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, with stocks falling more than 1% following weak data out of China. And that's where we'll begin this afternoon, with China as the official manufacturing PMI. That read edged down to 49.7 in August from 50 in July. But even more important, the final Caixin market manufacturing PMI read that came in at 47.3 for the month of August. That is the lowest read in that index since March 2009. Meanwhile, on the U.S. economic front, there was also quite a bit going on. We had August ISM manufacturing falling to 51.1 from 52.7 the previous month, therefore marking the weakest read in over 2 years. In addition, some bright news: construction spending that increased 0.7% for the month of July. Now, we also have to talk about the commodities markets this afternoon. Oil prices resuming their fall, with investors taking in profits from yesterday's 8.8% jump. U.S. crude right now down more than 5% to trade below $47 a barrel. At the same time, gold futures, they're up about $6.50 to $11.39 a troy ounce, and the U.S. dollar trading mildly lower against its counterparts. And when you team everything that I said today, you have yourself a session right here at the New York Stock Exchange where 9 stocks have declined for every advancer. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this trading session. And on the corporate front, reporting its earnings before the opening bell today, we had Dollar Tree earning an adjusted 67 cents per share for its latest quarter, beating expectations by 5 cents. However, revenue and same-store sales, the increase of 2.7%, both figures below analyst expectations. And if you want more corporate reports, check out modernwallstreet.com's earlier market movers report with our very own Lelda Smeets. And with that stated, we're going to end on sports. The New York Mets on a roll again against the Phillies tonight. They're looking to beat them another time. 6.5 games up on the NL East. And I believe. Do you believe? You got to believe. For modernwallstreet.com, until tomorrow morning on a Tuesday afternoon from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney.